Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. It's really great doing a video for you today, guys. So basically, what I do, I wake up this morning and I realize that the market was basically um they were basically sitting at support. So basically, I know that if you're sitting on support is more or less you're gonna go up to resistance, right? So I decided to take some longs and I'm gonna share with you guys how those trade has been going. So that's what I really want to share with you today. So let's get straight into it. So going into my account. Okay, first let me um let me turn my crypto tab on. So, oh yeah, I want to share with this with you guys. So basically, Crypto Tab Lite, basically, they basically increase their time hash rate. So basically, their hash rate time, the time that they were giving you was 2 hours, but now I don't know, for some reason they changed it to 3 hours. So now it's mining more longer. So it's like mining a hour longer than before. So just want to share that with you also. So yes, guys, so let's get straight over to my portfolio. So yeah, so my portfolio is sitting at $36.11. So I have some if I go into my funding, let's go my funding. So I bought some Ethereum and I'm up on that. So you can see I bought $10 and I'm up 80 cents. So yes, guys, I want to show you. So that's basically it right there, guys. So the next thing I want to share with you guys is my futures portfolio. That's where I mainly take the stuff. So I have $5.01. Yeah. So let's go straight into it. So as I said before at the first of the video, I did go and take some trades. So yeah, I'm in 8th position as you can see here. So I just want to share with you what I'm holding. So I'm holding MLD. So I'm holding MKR also, XRP. I'm holding AAVE, and also I am holding Bitcoin Cash, Solana, Litecoin, and Binance. And I go long on all of these trades, futures trades. So let's just show you guys. So as you can see, I'm making a cent here. I am up 5%. And I always trade and 10x leverage because yeah, I'm comfortable with that leverage. If it's a little bit more risky to me, I will go down to 5. But yeah, I mainly do 10 or 14. And I know you guys like say, why not do 15? I don't know. It's just like if it's not 10, it's 14. I always go inside and just click that 14 because yeah, I don't know. I just like those numbers. I like 14, so I always just do that. So yeah, so let's start back over. So 5% on this trade, 9% up on this trade. So 43% up, 13% up, 30% up in this trade, and 14 rather, and this one is 7, and the next one is 6. So I'm 18 position, 8th position rather, and I'm gonna take some profit right now because I see that the market is pulling back a little. I was up more on my trades and then it's just I've been coming down, so I'm just gonna close out some. So I'm gonna close out at 10 cents right here. So I'm gonna do a market close. As you guys can see, I'm getting 10 cents and I'm gonna close that out. And what I do this multiple times in a day. I used to do it um like not multiple times in a day, like multiple times in a week. I used to do it like every 3 days or so, but that's when the market was very volatile. Now nobody is changing. So now the market is a little volatile. So that's why I'm able to do it now. So I want to go for this 6 cents also. I want to take that off the table. And if you guys know me, I'm not gonna say, oh, it's 2 cents or it's 3 cents. I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna take it because if the market is in a trend, like in an upward trend, and I see it's pulling back, if I don't take the profit that I have, it's gonna take it back. If I don't receive it, it's gonna take it back from me. And I don't want that. So yeah. So I'm gonna take this 20 cents also. And these cents always add up, guys. So yeah, I think I take out around 35 cents already. Yeah. So yep. So three, I'm gonna go for this 19 cent right here. Yeah. And after this, what I do if I have the time, because I'm doing something. So if I have the time, what I'll do, I'll go back and look at the chart, and then I'll basically just put place trades again. If I don't have the time, I leave it until when I have the time. So yeah. So I have 5 cents right here. Three, 5 and 3 cents. Okay, I'm gonna leave the 3 cents, but I'm gonna take the 5 cents. So market close, and I'm gonna close 5 cents. Okay. So if I go over to my portfolio now, you guys can see that I'm up 70 cents. So I did just get 70 cents just for doing that. You guys can see that I trade with a small portfolio. I don't trade with a big portfolio. Because what I do whenever I trade, I take out the money to my funding account. When I transfer it over to my funding account, I go ahead and buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then I withdraw out those into different cryptocurrency platforms. And the reason why I do that, because with this cryptocurrency platform, it doesn't accept KYC. So at any time they can just close down my account, right? And I don't want that to happen. Like it's $35, but for me, it's something because I can use this $35 and buy like 3 or 4 REITs, and those REITs will be paying me like every month. So yeah, that's how I think about it. For me, this one rule of Warren Buffett. He says the first rule: don't lose money, and that's just the rule I follow. That's one of his rule I follow. Don't lose money. So yeah. So yes, guys. So I want to talk to you guys about something. So I was watching something and then it just comes to my mind and I just decided to, you know what, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about this. So the thing with investing, guys, I know you guys see some of the time I'm trading, but I'm not really a trader. I am most likely an investor. And an investor is a person that invests into asset that basically grow in value or basically get a dividend off of that. That's a kind of but what I do, I need more money to put in those portfolios. So that's why I will go on different platforms to swing trade so I can put more money in those. So another reason is I was just thinking about like today, how much money is my phone costing me? Like for the internet, the electricity, so the internet. So let's say I need internet on my phone. I use Wi-Fi. So how much is that Wi-Fi costing me to use on the phone? And also the my electricity, because I do charge my phone, right? I use the electricity to charge my phone. And then um the the so the electricity, yeah, and the internet. So when I add it up for the month, I'm paying about $160, 100, about 160 to $200 on those. And I think in my mind, is my phone making me, is my phone sustaining itself? So I would say in a in a month, my phone is not sustaining itself. To cover that, I'm not making $200 to cover my phone. And in everything, you want to start small. For me, I start with a $10 a week in grocery. I make that passively. Like I don't have to do anything. I get that $10 in my investments every week for grocery, and what I do, I just invest it back into the market. But I started from there. So now I was sitting and I was thinking, you know what, I need to step up this passive income. And the second thing I decided to start with is my phone. If I wanna earn passive income where basically the phone is paying its own bills. And I think, yeah, so that's what I am, that's all I am thinking right now. So for these couple months that I have in the here, that's what I'll be focusing on. Really, I'm just be focusing on how am I gonna increase my passive income, whereas my passive income is paying for the phone. So it's phone, because I'm using my phone to invest, to also swing trade, to also earn, to invest in everything. This phone should be paying for itself. So first it was paying for me to keep my health. So it was paying for my food for the week. Now I wanted to pay for my food and pay for itself. So let me know what you guys think about that. If you guys are thinking along those lines, so that's the another basically milestone I wanna go ahead and start thinking on. So yes, guys. So guys, basically I've come to the end of the video. Before I go, guys, I just wanna say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.